Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to share with you all. The 50-30-20 budget rule. If you've ever struggled with managing your finances or wondered how to save more money while still enjoying life, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Understanding the 50-30-20 budget rule. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand what the 50-30-20 budget rule is all about. Simply put, it's a budgeting technique that helps you allocate your income into three main categories: needs, wants, and savings. The goal is to achieve financial balance and secure your future without sacrificing life's little pleasures. Step 2. Identifying your essential needs. Step 1 is to identify your essential needs. These are the must-haves in your budget, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. They should typically account for 50% of your total income. By knowing exactly how much you need for these essentials, you gain a solid foundation for your budgeting journey. Step 3. Embracing your wants. Now, let's talk about the fun part, your wants. This category covers the things that bring joy and fulfillment to your life, like dining out, entertainment, shopping, and vacations. It should generally take up 30% of your income. Embracing your wants allows you to enjoy life to the fullest while still being financially responsible. Step 4. Prioritizing savings and debt repayment. Last but certainly not least, let's focus on the 20% dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This portion should be used to build an emergency fund, contribute to retirement accounts, and pay off any debts you may have, such as credit card balances or student loans. Prioritizing savings and debt repayment ensures a stable financial future and paves the way to achieving your long-term goals. Step 5. Creating your 50-30-20 budget. Now that you know the breakdown, it's time to create your own 50-30-20 budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to make the process easier. Step 6. Sticking to your budget. Sticking to a budget can be challenging, but with discipline and determination, you can do it. Regularly review your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, the 50-30-20 budget rule is flexible and can be adjusted to suit your individual circumstances. Step 7. Benefits of the 50-30-20 budget rule. Let's talk about the incredible benefits of the 50-30-20 budget rule. Not only does it bring financial stability and freedom, but it also reduces stress and anxiety about money. By having a clear plan, you can make confident decisions and work towards your dreams without worries. Step 8. Inspirational success stories. To keep you motivated, here are some inspiring success stories from individuals who have embraced the 50-30-20 budget rule. They've paid off debts, achieved their savings goals, and are now living their best lives without financial burdens. If they can do it, so can you. Conclusion. And that brings us to the end of our step-by-step guide to the 50-30-20 budget rule. Remember, financial freedom is within reach with a well-structured budget. Give it a try, and let us know your success stories in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to never miss any of our future money-saving tips. Until next time, stay financially savvy and take care. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!